Hello guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're having an awesome day. In this video, I'll be talking about top gorgeous retro braids hairstyle for every occasion. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you're new here, please also like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Retro braids are making a stylish comeback, offering a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern elegance for every occasion. These hairstyles draw inspirations from past decades while incorporating contemporary twists, making them versatile and suitable for both formal and casual settings. Popular retro braid styles include the classic crown braid, a regular sophisticated look ideal for weddings and gals. The victory rolls with braids combine 1940s glamour with a modern braiding techniques perfect for themed parties or standout occasions. Milkmaid braids offer a sweet, rustic look ideal for outdoor gatherings, while the braided behave as a striking, voluminous style for formal occasions. Other notable styles include the Gibson tuck with braids, a slick and polished option for office settings, and the retro braided updo, perfect for wedding and proms. For a softer, romantic look, side-swept braids with waves invoke Hollywood glamour from the 1920s and 1930s, while the braided pompadour adds a bold and edgy touch. Twisted braids with retro waves and double French braids with retro roll offer sophisticated options that combine vintage with modern elements, suitable for both casual and formal events. Overall, retro braids provide a timeless and elegant hairstyle choice, offering endless possibilities for customization and making them a go-to option for women looking to make a statement with their look. Finally, I would love you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing styles of retro braids that you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye for now.